When it comes to burgers, the first few names which comes to our mind are Big Fat Belly, Hickory, as well as Pronto now. Food Spa is going to introduce to you the newest brand for burgers, the Burger Shop. Starters, both the items which I've had. Prawns are my favorite, so this time around as well, it was very good. And the chicken is perfectly charred outside and juicy inside. So I think both the starters get the thumbs up. Gabriel, how's the pork starter?
The pork is very tender. There are generous portions of meat there, not only fat. So you will find a mixture of fat and meat. Pork lovers, this is very good.
Right, so next up we have the burgers over here. First up we have a veggie king burger. It's a giant size burger with a side of house fries. Then we have a chick chili burger, which is a spicy chicken burger. And we have a filter coffee shake. Let's start with the veggie king burger first. It's filled with a lot of cheese, a lot of house special dips, onions, tomatoes and lettuce. Let us enjoy this. It has caramelized onions too. The burger buns are pretty soft. It doesn't have a lot of exotic vegetables. It has the basic ones, but it tastes pretty good. It's well dressed. It's not dry. I think burger lovers are going to love this. As you would expect from filter coffee, it's not going to be very thick, but filter coffee lovers, you would enjoy this. Now we're going to be having the chick chili burger. Looks very, very spicy, guys. Now the chicken burger is extremely spicy. So if you're a fan of spicy food, you would love it. But if you're not, I think you should avoid this. This is extremely hot. Doing some more burgers, but that's going to be after this. The first main course which we have is the chicken schnitzel plate. This is crumb fried chicken. Just look at this. It comes with fries again, some salads, dips. Let's try the chicken. Now what I like about this is it's not dripping with oil, alright? If you can see my hand, it's going to be fried, crumb fried, but it's not going to be too much of oil, so it will be not as difficult for you or for me to take it down. Next up, prawn spaghetti with paprika cream. Delicious. And look at the size and the quantity of the prawns. If you guys are ordering, let me know if you're getting the same. As of now, let me enjoy. Okay, so whilst the boys are enjoying their meal in the background, we are going to be showing you next the next burgers, which is going to be beef and pork and mutton. Anyone who wishes to skip can totally understand if you don't wish to see items which you are not very fond of. So I would suggest you skip directly to the end of this video for the conclusion. And if you wish to see the making of some of the burgers and if you want to see how the taste is of these burgers, you can stay on. We have Rohan here, who is one of the co-founders of this brand. Welcome to Food Spa.
Thank you.
Okay, what are you making for us?
We're making fatty patty right now.
Okay. We're going to be putting the cheese on top of one of the patties first. final stage now. We have the last three burgers. We have a lamb burger, we have a pork burger, as well as beef burger. Let's start with the lamb burger first. Lamb bhi to. You can see the sauce dripping. It comes with fries and there's this special mango lemonade. Refreshing nonetheless. Burger do you have, Shinchon?
So I have basically a beef burger, which is beef patty.
Okay.
So the patty is very much fat, and we have lettuce, we have different types of sauces, and you can see the juice dripping up. We have French fries alongside.
Let's start.
So
Come on.
the taste is awesome.
You like
আমার
it?
খুব ভালো লাগবে. The taste is awesome.
What about you, Himadri? What do you have?
I have a pork burger. Its name is chili bomb.
Okay.
Let's try it out. Awesome. Juiciness is just next level.
So that was our experience with the burger shop. This is very near to Lake Mall, like you've already guessed. Now this is a takeaway joint only. The place where we are sitting at, this is only specially arranged for us. It's not going to be open for public, obviously. Now they're going to be available on Swiggy and Zomato from noon to 10:30, so you can order any of the stuff over here. You get a host of burgers. My favorite from the burgers was the chili chick burger. That was spicy, but it tasted very unique and it was very nice. Apart from that, I like the prawn items a lot. And schnitzel, the chicken. I think the chicken items and the prawn items are really good. If you are a fan of burgers which are different varieties, chicken, pork, beef, you can definitely try any of those. If you're trying out any other item, you can definitely give it a shot and you can let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I hope you like this video. If you did, do share with your friends and family. Until next time, this is Food Spa wrapping up from a very busy Lake Mall. 3, start. Uthalam, এইভাবে করে তারপর যখন বাইট নিচ্ছি ওইখানে বাইটটা নিয়ে যখন এন্ড হলো আমি আর ক্যামেরায় দেখবো না, জাস্ট বাইট নিলাম, নিয়ে তারপর বা বাইট নিয়ে এইভাবে করলাম, তুই টেনে দিলি কোনটা?
তুমি এইদিকে ঘুরিয়ে বাইট নাও।
না
তাহলে কাট শট নেই, কাট